Hi friends, welcome to IT Board. In this session we are going to see about table value parameters in SQL Server. In general cases, we pass string or data variables to the procedures or functions and any routines. From SQL Server 2008, we can pass a variable, we can pass a table as a variable. Let us check how we can pass a table as a parameter. Generally, table value parameters are a new parameter type in SQL Server 2008. These are declared by using user-defined table types. You can use table value parameters to send multiple rows of a data to a Transact-SQL statement or a routine, such as stored procedure or function, without creating a temporary table or many parameters. Okay, how we can create and pass it? Let us check it. First, we should create a table type with structure. It's a table structure, and then create a procedure or function with the table type parameter, and declare out of that procedure declare a variable for the table type and assign the values, then pass this variable to a procedure or function. Let us check with the simplest example that here one table employee, so horizontal table. Here the table type creation syntax are type employee dpt as table. These are the syntax to create user defined table types: employee ID and department graph 30. Just create. So we have the employee dpt as a user defined table types. Here we can list out see here is a employee dpt. It's a properties. So just we create a user defined table types, then call a function employee with department. So here I just create a table variable for the user defined data table, user defined table type. So just tbl dpt for the user defined type table type. We must give the read only option for that table variable, because we cannot apply the DML statements here. So we pass this as a read only. Returns employee and make a join that alias on just we create a join and fetching employee name with TBL department. Just we create a function, this inline table value function. So function was created. Just out of that routine, declaring one table variable. For that, use a different type table type, and insert that table variable one and just we check with the two rows. So out of this routine, just create a table variable and assign the records to that table variable, then pass it to that function. So if we execute this, okay, just the employee table has 3 rows, but here we insert 2 rows into that table variable and pass this table variable to this. So it will give the third row as a null value for that department. So here the method, we can pass the table as a parameter. This table variable as a these table variables are only work with current scope, like a local temporary tables. So we can use this table variable at store procedure or functions. So these are the simplest example for table varied parameters. Hope this session will be very useful to you. If you like this session, please like and subscribe. Thank you, friends.